A while back, I did a video on disassembly of the speedometer cluster on an old Jeep CJ. And occasionally I get questions about something that I thought was obvious in the video. So I'm just going to revisit it, go through it again, and try to be a little bit more thorough. Always appreciate comments or questions because it helps me do a better job of these things when I initially record them. So let's get started, get on through this. Here's an old CJ cluster. Got this out of my box of old CJ stuff. Had to go digging for one. What we do, what you want to do first, turn it over, and there's 4 points. And this is original. This doesn't have the replacement or reproduction gauges on it. As you can see, these are those old factory original style. There's 4 spots that you're going to need to bend the tabs up on here, and here. Just get your screwdriver, get in there, and open them up. See if we got it enough. Here we go. All right. Now I've got our glass and the bezel removed. Now, what we're going to want to do is to get these gauges out. First, we got to remove this cluster from the back housing. So what we do first is remove these 2 screws right here. Open there with our bezel. And you may have to pop it a little bit. It's this right here needs to slide through the bezel. Just kind of get it in your hand. There you go. See, just slight little pop. It slides out. There's your speedometer cluster. What fell out was one of the things, pieces that go around the lights. See it mounted over here like this. We're not worried about this. This is an old, worn out, broken one. Now, we need to get these out of here for replacement. Now, these are the old original Stewart Warner gauges. And how to get these out of here, again, which I thought was obvious on a video I done, and obviously it was not. You need to remove these here on the back. There's nothing more exciting than watching somebody loosen bolts and nuts. Okay. One more of those. It's not that bad to get these out, but these are a little bit on the rusty side. That's all I had for demonstration. Again, don't matter which order you take these out to remove them. Then what's left is this jumper strap that runs between the two gauges. And that little, these parts here just insulate it from the case. The newer style, which are plastic, they do the same thing. They just stick out the back a little bit further, but they insulate it from the back of the case. Now you can just simply pull them out. And there you go. That's all there is to disassembling that. Installation is the reverse of what we just did. But it's pretty simple and straightforward, and you don't need to, I saw some people tearing these things up to get this stuff out. You don't need to do that. In the video, I will list the Stewart Warner replacement parts for these, if you can find them. I can tell you right now on these, the number, you can see them. The fuel gauge is Stewart Warner 827592, and the temp gauge is Stewart Warner 827591. Anyway, I hope this is a little bit clearer on how to take care of that, and good luck in your projects.